we'll make a slip knot. Sorry. Chain 2, 2 single crochet in the first chain from the hook, second chain from the hook. Okay, chain 1 and turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the next stitches. So this is a repetitive row which starts with 2 single crochet in one stitch, in one stitch, and 1 single crochet in every stitch. So the increase is happening at the beginning of the row only. I'll do that for 38 rows total, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. The triangle is very easy to achieve. I've done a video of a general triangle if you'd like to see it. I'll put the link in the description box if you're interested. So here is my triangle is complete with 38 rows of single crochet, and I'm gonna start making the strap for both sides. So here is the last row of the triangle, and I'm gonna chain 50 for the first strap. So here I'm done chaining 50. What I'm gonna do is slip stitch back till the triangle side of the bandana to finish working the second strap. So slip stitch in every chain just to make the strap solid. So here I'm done with the first strap, and what I'm gonna do to go to the other side and start the second strap, I'm gonna slip stitch in every stitch from the triangle. You can either slip stitch or you can make a single crochet, it's up to you. Here in this pattern I made a slip stitch. And then once done, I'll chain 50 again for the second strap. So here I'm almost done with the second strap, and I'm gonna fasten off. The color is a bit different from the real one. It's a light purple, but it shows blue. I don't know why. Maybe the settings of the camera is wrong. And here I will fasten off with the last stitch, and I'll hide my thread. Oops. And this is the complete strap. You can make less than 50 if you wish, but I made 50 to make it long enough. And this is how it looks at the end. I hope you liked the tutorial and find it easy to follow. Let me know what you think and if you have any questions. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.